Hi everyone, welcome back to Mella's channel. Today we do have here different kind of packs. Like here we have the SpongeBob, we have some more Hatsune Miku and more Doraemon. And like this would be really three random packs. So we'll start with Hatsune Miku since it's the least pack that I have and I really wanted to open everything and see what's inside. And here we do have a UR card and we have a LR card of Hatsune Miku, BP card of Hatsune Miku. We had a Rare of Len and SSR of Hatsune Miku. And for the next pack, like I haven't really opened this in a long time, like about 6 months ago since I last opened the Hatsune Miku card box. And here we have BP of Hatsune Miku, and we have a Rare of Rin, and we have a UR card. And for the last pack of the Hatsune Miku one before we open the next packs. And here we have Hatsune Miku, a rare of Miku, and we do have a LR of Hatsune Miku, another LR and SSR of Hatsune Miku. And that's everything for Hatsune Miku. Let's start the SpongeBob SquarePants. And this SpongeBob SquarePants is a fun card to open, and the pack itself is not so nice, but the card inside are really nice. Here we have a UR card of SpongeBob and SSR of SpongeBob, a UR SpongeBob and Mr. Krabs, and we have SpongeBob and Patrick, then we have Mr. Krabs. And for this kind of video card opening, like I'll do a lot of them, but I'm not sure what kind of card packs I should do it with, but for now, like I wanted to do a whole One Piece card packs that I have opened so far, or like a one anime or cartoon type of video, different kind of packs. And here you have an AR of Patrick and a rare of SpongeBob. And here's the next pack. Like for the SpongeBob box, like there are 36 cards or like 36 packs in each box. So there's a lot, and actually the rare cards are really nice. Like here the AR cards are nice, and here we do have Squidward as her SpongeBob in a boat. And for the most part, this SpongeBob SquarePants set is satisfying. But if you really want the good quality original one, or the authentic one, like go for Caillou SpongeBob. Currently, they are one of the good SpongeBob card set. It's just that I don't have any budget for the SpongeBob SquarePants authentic version. And here, let's see, we have a SpongeBob, like another SpongeBob. There are cards here that is my first time seeing, like this STR card. And here we have SSR of Mr. Krabs. Like I have opened a lot of SpongeBob card box, and like they are one of the most fun to open, and I have one more box to open for this is SpongeBob SquarePants, but for now this is the loose box. And here we have a baby SpongeBob. SpongeBob SquarePants in a snowboard, and next pack, and like there's three, four left, and before we do move on to the Doraemon card packs, and this here we have a SpongeBob, another SpongeBob, and STR SpongeBob, and SSR Mr. Krabs, and we do have a Halloween SpongeBob. And for the next one, and for the most part, like this UR card is so much fun, and this STR card is really nice, and SSR of Sandy, SR of SpongeBob, and AUR of everyone. And here is another pack. So this SpongeBob set is really fun to open. They're not really that bad, but if you're gonna nitpick, like there would be really some damage cards in this if you really look at it carefully. But for just playing or for giving and opening some packs, like this is really fun to open. And here's a Doraemon card pack. And for the Doraemon one, I do like the CP cards for the Doraemon. We have Dorami-chan as our first card. It is AUR. Then we have the SR of Nobita. And we have Shizuka, a rare card of Nobita. And we have SR of Nobita. And as you can see, the foiling for the Doraemon and the Hatsune Miku is the same, while the SpongeBob SquarePants is not. Like the SpongeBob SquarePants feels more like a paper, and these Doraemon and Hatsune Miku cards feel so smooth, like a plastic. And here we have a SSR of Nobita and a rare of Nobita. And let's move on to the next pack. And for this kind of cards, I don't really sleeve them or anything. I just organize them by their rarity and number. And here we have Shizuka, we have Dorami-chan, and we have Soneo, we have Doraemon, and moving on to the next pack, we do have SSR of Shizuka, Nobita, and a CP of Doraemon. As you can see, the black and gold is really nice with the CP cards. We have an UR of Dorami-chan. And for the next pack, here we have Takeshi, and we have a UR of Nobita, a rare of Doraemon, SR of Nobita, and SSR of Shizuka. And for our next pack, we have a rare of Shizuka, a rare of Dorami and Doraemon, and a rare of Doraemon. And we do have another CP of Doraemon. And for the next pack, like for one box of this Doraemon card box, like you do get a lot of CP cards if you do like the CP cards a lot. But I do love how playful and how this Doraemon card box is very really very Doraemon. And here we have a rare of Doraemon and last two packs, and we're gonna be done with this video. And here we have Shizuka, and we have a UR of Nobita and CP of Shizuka, and we have a rare of Dorami-chan, And for the last pack, let's see what we have. We have Takeshi, we have Nobita, and we have a CP of Nobita, and a SSR of Takeshi, and UR of Doraemon. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.